This video is intended to verify that the Synergy Technology LLC Automated Flagger System AF100 meets the specification for a red-yellow lens Automated Flagger Assistance Device AFAD of the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania Department of Transportation. 1. Scope. The Automated Flagger System AF100 is a portable trailer-mounted red-yellow lens AFAD. The two wheel-mounted steel trailers can be transported in a nested configuration that connects the two trailers at 3 points and can be pulled or backed as a single trailer. 2. Display mechanism. 2.1. The AF100 has one set of circular LED vehicle traffic signal modules per trailer. The red and yellow LEDs are 300 mm, 12-inch in diameter. The lenses are arranged red on top and yellow below, and do conform to the applicable provisions for traffic signal indications in Part 4 of the MUTCD. The lenses are mounted that can adjust the position of the bottom of the housing from a lower dimension of 90 inches to a maximum of 130 inches. The bottom of the housing is at the 7-foot 84-inch mark at the point the paint on the mast inner tube changes from black to orange. The AF100 includes a red and yellow circular LED signal and a gate arm. To stop road users, the AF100 shall display a steadily illuminated red lens and the gate arm shall be in the down position. To permit the road user to proceed, the AF100 shall display flashing yellow indication and the gate arm shall be in the upright position. The gate arm shall be covered with alternating red and white Type 5 retroreflective sheeting stripes, approved by the Department and listed in Publication 355, Bulletin 15, and placed at 150 mm 6-inch intervals measured horizontally. A 600 mm 24 by 24-inch orange flag shall be attached to the end of the gate arm. Note, an optional flag with yellow retroreflective X appears in the video. When the gate arm is in the horizontal position, A, the height is 5.5 inches. B, on each side of the gate arm, reflective sheeting shall cover the vertical height with stripes sloped downward at an angle of 45 degrees towards the outside of the arm. C, the AF100 gate arm has a maximum reach which would reach the center of a 20-foot lane. The arm can be adjusted to a shorter reach of 7 foot 6 inches from the outside of the fender to the end of the arm and flag. 2.3. The AF100 is a two-wheel trailer device meeting the Category 4 device standard. 2.4. The AF100 has a minimum 5-second change interval as the transition between the display of flashing yellow and the display of the steady red indication. During the change interval, the yellow lens shall be steadily illuminated. The gate arm shall remain in the upright position during the display of the steadily illuminated yellow change interval. The manually controlled change interval shall not be provided between the display of the steady red indication and the display of the flashing yellow indication. 2.5. The AF100 features an independent conflict monitor microcontroller on each trailer to monitor and prevent a simultaneous display of a flashing yellow indication at each end of the TTC zone. As an example, with the A trailer in the flashing yellow open operation, even if the B button is activated, the system will self-correct by closing both sides before opening either gate. 2.6. Each unit features two no-maintenance batteries and a 100-watt solar panel. Each AF100 unit has sufficient capacity to power the unit for a minimum of 60 hours without being recharged and the solar panel disconnected. Each trailer is equipped with a charger, which operates on 115 volts AC. Batteries are housed in a lockable enclosure. The design of the enclosure shall allow batteries to be easily replaced by removing two nuts on the hold-down bar and disconnect the ring terminal battery connections. 3. System configuration. Trailer. 3.1. The AF100 trailer is designed to support the entire operating system of the AFAD, including lowering raising arm, sign display support system, power supply unit, and leveling jacks or legs. The leveling jacks maintain the position with limited rotation and welded foot plates to lock the leg position. The trailer and all its components are of sufficient strength and rating to operate safely upon the highway at legal speeds without bending, cracking, bottoming, or premature wear. The trailer is equipped with tail, stop, and directional lights, and with the license plate light and bracket all conforming to Pennsylvania Vehicle Code. The AF100 is a wheeled trailer Category 4 device. 3.2. The AF100 lifting mast for the signal light is a telescoping design with a self-braking winch and screw-type lock for simple and quick extension for operation and lowering for transport. The signal faces rearward of the trailer for operation. 3.3. All electronics are enclosed in a steel NEMA cabinet with a lock. Batteries and charger are enclosed in a composite cabinet with latch that accepts a padlock. Both are protected to limit vandalism. Reflective tape and/or reflectors are placed on the front, rear, and sides of the trailer. Standalone unit. 3.5. The AF100 is a standalone unit that is structurally adequate to support and house all necessary equipment for operation. 3.6. Each AF100 trailer is equipped with pneumatic tires and removable hitches. Signal heads are mounted as one section upright and can be quickly set up and taken down by one person. 4. Application. Sections 4.1 through 4.5 shall be followed by users of the device. 5. Testing. 5.2. An operational test for a flagger standing within 10 feet of each AFAD with the other turned off. The operator standing 10 feet from the main trailer A starts the sequence with the signal light illuminated solid red and the gate arm in the down position. The operator presses the A button on the wireless remote pendant. The gate arm starts moving up and the signal light switches to flashing yellow as the gate arm approaches the upright position. The sequence is repeated with the remote trailer B operational and the main trailer A turned off. 5.2a. An operational test for a flagger standing 400 feet from each AFAD with the other turned off. The operator standing 400 feet from the main trailer A starts the sequence with the signal light illuminated solid red and the gate arm in the down position. The operator presses the A button on the wireless remote pendant. The gate arm on the main trailer A starts moving up and the signal light switches to flashing yellow as the gate arm approaches the upright position. The sequence is repeated with the remote trailer B operational and the main trailer A turned off. 5.2b. An operational test for an operator centrally located between two AFADs at 800 feet apart. The operator standing in the middle of the main trailer A and remote trailer B starts the sequence with both signal lights illuminated solid red and the gate arm in the down position. The operator presses the A button on the wireless remote pendant. The gate arm on trailer A starts moving up and the signal light switches to flashing yellow as the gate arm approaches the upright position. Trailer B remains unchanged. The operator presses either A or B on the wireless remote pendant. Note, as a failsafe, the system will not allow both trailers to signal flashing yellow with the gate arm in the upward position no matter what button is pushed. The trailer A signal light will be illuminated solid yellow for a period of 5 seconds. At this point, the signal light will illuminate solid red and the gate arm will start down after 2 seconds. When both signal trailers illuminate solid red with the gate arm in the down position, the operator presses the B button on the wireless remote pendant. The gate arm on trailer B starts moving up and the signal light switches to flashing yellow as the gate arm approaches the upright position. Trailer A remains unchanged. The operator presses either A or B on the wireless remote pendant. The trailer B signal light will be illuminated solid yellow for a period of 5 seconds. At this point, the signal light will illuminate solid red and the gate arm will start down after 2 seconds.